Oh my god, the smell is very aromatic, guys. So today I'm going to make a chicken scallion ginger. So this is 5 cups of water, kalahating manok, thumb ginger, thumb size, and then dalawang spring onion na malalaki. Papakuluan ko lang po siya. Ayun. Tapos mamaya gagawa ako ng sauce. Sauce ito. Lagay nyo lang ginger, put together. Yeah. Ay, sus marimar. Nagkalaglagan na yung mga lagay. Mga utensils ko. Diba? Napakarami. Continue to fry this one until it turns golden. Oh, wow. Sobrang ang bango. It's now golden brown. Strain lang natin yung oil, guys. Yes. Ibalik lang natin yung mantika. Yes. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and 1.5 of sugar. Mix and mix. Yes. Pour the sauce over to the chicken. Yep. So I just put this aside here. Because you can also eat this one, so I don't like to